Welcome back. We have for this section summation. Summation in mathematics starting with sigma. Sigma have a start value. It could be infinite or it could be finite number, and has ending value. The ending value, it could be as well finite or infinite number. And as we see here, we have a sequence with variable. This variable x begin with the starting value in sigma and end at the ending value in sigma. Let's see how to use it in Python. So let's see how to do summation in Python. Let's start with the summation that we saw before. Here it was like s equal to sigma, or summation sign, it's not sigma, summation sign, 1 divided by parentheses 2 multiplied by x power 2 here. And let's say we start with 1, starting with 1 and ending and end with 3. So how to solve this equation here? Python won't take the sigma here. Sigma is like I had it from outside the Python. What we can do here, we have like right here dumb solve. Here I'm going to use like very dumb solving solution. S equal to 1. Here I'm going to substitute every x with the number 1, 2 and 3, starting value plus the values between starting and ending values. Here we have starting value is equal to 1. Let's substitute x with 1, here power 2 plus, we make here 1 divided by parentheses 2 multiplied by x right now is like 2. We substitute x with 2 here because 1, 2, 3 plus 1 divided by here 2 multiplied by 3, the ending value of the summation, power 2. And we can make here print s. Let's see, we got this value here. But this solution here is really dumb, because what if we have like ending value like 1000 or 10,000? We want like we want to write the summation here. It's going to take hours to do it. But here Python have like a really good solution here. We can use this one here. We make sum, that means summation, and we make here 1 divided by 2 multiplied by x power 2 for x in range, and we have starting value like 1 and ending value, let's make it 10 here, or let's make it the same 3, and we write here, we can write here start, and we can write here end plus 1, because ending value is 3, and when we take range we should take plus 1, because the ending value is 3, it's not including in our range here. And we hit run, we got exactly the same. So what if we have like 1000 here? Let's see what we'll get. We got here, let's make it a little bit like funnier here. S, we use a string. Here I'm going to use this one G to make it a little bit more compact. Here, and we take here, we hit run, we got 0, 41, 0, 9, 84. Now we can do like 10,000, we can do however you want. That's how to do summation in Python. So in the next lecture we learn how to use for loops and while loop to use summation. So that was all for today. See you in the next lecture.